Welcome to our video on decorating kitchens with black countertops. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transforming your kitchen into a modern and elegant space. Let's get started. The first step in decorating your kitchen is proper planning and design. Assess your needs, consider the available space, and create a layout that optimizes functionality. Now, let's move on to selecting the components. Cabinets are a vital part of any kitchen. Choose cabinets that complement the black countertops, such as sleek white or dark wood finishes. Ensure they provide ample storage space and easy access to your kitchen essentials. The sink and faucet are not only functional but also aesthetic elements of your kitchen. Select a sink that coordinates with the countertops, such as stainless steel or matte black. Choose a faucet that complements the overall design and offers both style and functionality. The backsplash protects your walls and adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Consider materials like subway tiles, glass, or stainless steel that harmonize with the black countertops. Additionally, choose a range hood that matches the overall aesthetic and effectively removes smoke and odors. Appliances play a significant role in both the functionality and appearance of your kitchen. Opt for stainless steel appliances, like a stove/cooktop, oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave, to create a cohesive and modern look. Adequate lighting is essential to enhance the ambience of your kitchen. Install recessed lights to provide general illumination, pendant lights above the kitchen island for task lighting, and under cabinet lighting to highlight the countertops. These fixtures will bring both functionality and style to your space. To keep your kitchen organized, consider incorporating pantry cabinets for dry goods, drawer organizers for utensils, and spice racks and wine racks to neatly display your seasonings and wine collection. Don't forget a cutting board and designated spaces for kitchen utensils. Proper waste management is crucial in any kitchen. Integrate garbage and recycling bins into your cabinetry design for a clean and efficient space. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and incorporating these components into your kitchen, you can create a stunning and functional space with black countertops. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy decorating!